Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I go by the name Paul Uokwe, a real estate authority based here in Enugu. And also, I will always bring you updates on Enugu real estate market and new constructions and infrastructure. So today we'll be driving around the new GRA road, which is constructed by the Enugu state government. The road is very, very nice. So today, come with me while you see this road. So if you're in the diaspora and you don't know about this new development, there you go. I'm giving it to you clear, crystal clear. So if you know this road used to be very bad, but today you're going to watch and see how it's looking right now. So many people here have started building their house because of this road, and those who have lands that can build have started selling. They've started selling because the land price have increased just because of this road. So watch and let me know what you think by the end of this video. Drop it in the comment section. So if you want to help me grow my channel, all you got to do is click the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and leave a comment. Leave a good comment, okay? Don't leave a bad comment, okay? Leave a good comment. So if you have been here before you travel to the United States or Canada, wherever you travel to, you can see what it looks like right now. So if you have a property here that you have abandoned, just come back and start doing it again, or renovate it, or even sell it. We can help you sell it, okay? We can also help you renovate it. Or if you're looking to buy land, we can also help you get land here, okay? Watch the video and enjoy the rest of the video. So here I come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly click the like button down there, and also if you are watching my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel to see more updates like this coming your way every week. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.